Alright, that's 64 nice years.
The sex for the money, for the people. No respect, Alton boy. He's embarrassing to be in the professional wrestling. Fuck Alton boy. Even right now, I'm handicapped, but I make him one, man.
Yeah, that's some good, huh?
I had him on the camera, and I took off stage. Other than that, break his bag, I'll make him humble. But it's a big country home. Ranian, I come to California, 1971. I paid for my due. I get my gold medal. Hulk Hogan, we got Irish Sheik, no Hulkamania. I make the Hulkamania, the Hulkamania. Give me all your... Yeah, and that's Hollywood. Los Angeles, California. California is like my home. Tehran, Iran. They call Tehran Angeles. And it's special. I have a good friend, Ali and Reza, Alan and Mubarak. They are my real good friends. And Los Angeles, we call Tehran Angeles. Like Iran. God bless America. God bless California. Give me hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hulkamania, Iron Sheik is a force that Lenny Savage. He's a Nikola, he's a cheap Russia Jew son of a bitch. The tiger is good man, but Lenny Savage is a cheap Jew son of a bitch.
But not as much as Nikolai.
What's the Nikola? Sheik! Iron Sheik! Iron Sheik! Iron Sheik! Iron Sheik! Iron Sheik! Fuck him and he's gone. Tell him have a good day. Pleasure for me to happy California. I want to say hello to all my wrestling friends. God bless America. God bless California. Because I come 1971, all American gold medal. And again, thanks for the all my wrestling friends to come see me today. God bless you guys and have a good day.
Thank you.